Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Accord front bumper. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm socket. Safety is paramount, so carefully lift the front of your vehicle and secure it with sturdy jack stands. You will then start by removing the plastic clips and screws found along the top edge of the bumper cover, typically around 5 to 7 of them. Next, focus on the fender liners. You'll find several screws and plastic clips, usually 3 to 5 on each side, that connect the bumper to the fender liner. Remove these on both the driver's and passenger's sides. After that, move to the grille area. There are typically a few more clips or small bolts, perhaps 2 to 4, holding the top of the bumper to the grille assembly. Take your time to locate and remove each one. Now, let's move underneath the vehicle. You'll discover more plastic clips and screws, often 6 to 8 of them, securing the bottom edge of the bumper to the undercarriage splash shield. Carefully remove all of these fasteners. Then, double-check the sides where the bumper meets the fender. Sometimes, there are 1 or 2 additional hidden clips or small bolts that need to be released to fully free the bumper's edges. With all fasteners removed, it's time to gently detach the bumper. Start by pulling the sides of the bumper cover away from the vehicle, as they often clip into place. Before completely pulling it off, remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights, turn signals, or parking sensors. There are usually 2 to 4 connectors. Once everything is unplugged, the entire front bumper assembly should slide off smoothly, ready for your next steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.